In this lesson, we do some work on evaluating logs. Let's first consider the log to the base 5 of 25. Now what this means is this. That base 5, we're thinking 5 to the power of something equals 25. That 5 to the power of 2 is 25, because of course 5 squared is 25. So we say that the log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. Let's look at our first example. We're asked to evaluate the following without a calculator. We have log to the base 2 of 16. So again, let's think. The base 2, we're thinking 2 to the power of something equals 16. Well, that something is 4. 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. So therefore we say that log to the base 2 of 16 equals 4. I'm going to show you an alternative way of doing the same question. Let's write the question down again. This time let's write the log to the base 2, and we're going to write 16 in terms of 2. We can write 16 as 2 to the power of 4. And that log to the base 2 of the 2, if you like, they cancel each other out. And we're left with 4. Okay, so that's one way of thinking of it, and in fact, most students find this the easiest way. So let's continue on in this vein. The next one, log to the base 9 of 3. So we write our log to the base 9 down, and then 3. We've got to start thinking, what is 3 in terms of 9? Well, we can write 3 as the square root of 9. So let's write the log to the base 9 down. Now the square root of 9 in terms of indices is 9 to the power of a half. And then you've got the log to the base 9 cancelling out with that 9. So effectively our answer equals 1/2. The next one, log to the base 6 of 1 over 36. So let's write our log to the base 6 down. Now 1 over 36, now in terms of 6, 1 over 36 can be written as 1 over 6 squared. Again, let's write that down. Now 1 over 6 squared, okay, we can't leave it in fraction form like that, okay, much like the one above it, we didn't leave it as a square root. We can write 1 over 6 squared as 6 to the minus 2. So we're always after it as in index form. That way then the log 6 and that 6 could cancel. Our answer then equals -2. Terrific. Example 2. If b is a positive number, evaluate the following. Now the first one we've got log to the base b of b to the power of 4. Looks a bit tricky, but in fact quite easy. Log to the base b and that b actually cancel each other out. Simply the answer equals 4. Okay, simple one there. Next one a little bit more challenging. Log to the base b, let's write that down. Now we've got to write this in terms of b. We're going to eventually write it as b to the power of something. Right, might need a couple of steps though. Well, we can write that 1 over, now the cube root of b is the same as b to the power of 1/3. Okay, we've got a fractional indice there. So let's write the log b down again. Now because it's a fraction on the bottom there, okay, b to the third is on the bottom, we can write that as b to the minus 1/3. And once we've got it in that form, the hard work is done. That log to the base b and the b, if you like, cancel each other out, and we're left with -1/3 as our final answer. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.